The fascinating world of Zoo Camp. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting topic that might sound a bit intriguing at first. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about Zoo Camp. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what this phrase means and how you can use it. The phrase, Zoo Camp, is made up of two words, zoo and camp. Let's understand them individually. Zoo, a place where various animals are kept so that people can come and see them. Camp. This usually refers to a place where people, especially children, go to engage in activities and learn new skills in a structured environment. Sometimes this happens outdoors, but not always. Now, when you put these two words together, what do you think it might mean? Zoo Camp is a program organized by zoos around the world where children, and sometimes adults, can attend to learn more about animals, the environment, and conservation. Here's what typically happens at a zoo camp. Educational sessions. Participants learn about different animals, their habitats, and the challenges they face. Hands-on activities. This can include things like feeding certain animals, understanding animal behavior, or even arts and crafts related to animals. Behind-the-scenes tours. Participants often get a peek at what happens behind the public areas of a zoo, meeting zookeepers and understanding their daily routines. You might be wondering, why should someone attend a zoo camp? Here are a few reasons. Passion for animals. If you love animals, this is a great way to get up close and personal, learning more about them. Educational experience. Zoo camps are not just about fun. They're packed with learning experiences that are both informative and entertaining. Making new friends. Attendees get to meet other individuals with similar interests, fostering friendships and shared memories. And there you have it, the exciting world of Zoo Camp. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means and perhaps even ignited a spark of interest in attending one. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy language adventures.